Good day, everyone. Welcome to Clara's Creation. Hello, everyone. I'm Clara from Clara's Creation. Clara's Creation presents word formation, under which we are going to study noun forms. And under noun forms, we are going to study three different subtopics: abstract noun from adjectives, abstract noun from verbs, abstract noun from common noun. From past so many days, we are studying online through virtual classes. Today, just to give you that classroom field, I have come up with a green board teaching theme. You can see a green board in front of you. The topic is written on green board: noun form, abstract noun from adjectives, abstract noun from verbs, abstract noun from the common noun. Part 1: abstract noun from adjectives. Here we will study how to form abstract noun from adjectives, for which you need to remember one rule, that is, before your root word you will be adding the word the. Now here is a table drawn before you, and you can see the table is divided into two columns: adjective and noun form. Adjectives are your root words, and the answer that you get is your noun form by adding the word the. Now let me read out quickly the adjectives: angry, wise, decent, poor. I will add the word the to it. I get the answer: the anger, the wisdom, the decency, the poverty. Again, the same thing. I'm going to apply the same method: generous, childish, strong, young. I repeat again, I'm sorry: generous, childish, strong, young. These are the question words or the root word given to me. In order to obtain the answer, that is noun forms, I will again add the word the, and I'm going to do this mentally, that is, I'm going to do it in my mind: the generosity, the childhood, the strength, the youth. Abstract noun from verbs. That's our part 2. We will continue. Verbs and noun. We will divide the table into two columns, and here is a table drawn for you. Under your root word, that is verbs, following words are given to you: act, defend, judge, advise. And now which trick are you going to apply? You will be adding the word the. And how will you do that? You will do it mentally. That's in your mind. And the answer you get is action, defense, judgment, advice. Again, the same trick we apply. Here is a root word: believe, discover, think, choose. And the answer is belief, discovery, thought, choice. Part 3: abstract noun from common noun. Again, same thing. A table is drawn for you. It's divided into two: common noun and abstract nouns. So the words are agent, thief, boy, man. And they are your question words or your root word. Your answer is always in green. So in the column of noun, you get the answer: agency, theft, boyhood, and manhood. And again, I added mentally the word the to get my answer. Again, same thing: friend, king, hero, women. These are your question words. And here, your answer is friendship, kingdom, heroism, womanhood. Part 4: test yourself. Let's see how much you understood from whatever I have explained. Give abstract noun. And the words are true, angry, sorrowful, beautiful, warm, patient, fly, and wicked. This will be your weekly assignment. You will be giving the abstract noun of these words. and write it down in your notebook. Climb up to success with the help of Clara's creation. Thank you for listening.